always something I gotta do around here, man. Oh, dude, it's been a long time. How you been? Am I seeing this correctly? Did you come to see me again? It's been a long time, man. Come on now. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Whoever's going to tune in. I don't know. I have not posted a video in going on 1 year. And I was undecisive if I was going to continue this channel. But I said, you know what? I got another channel I've started that I'm doing. I'm on social media again. It's a long time. And I said, you know what? I miss working on things, kinda. So, without further ado, let's roll that beautiful broken footage and get to it, shall we? So where should we begin? Man, I'm trying to tell you what, it has been a while. And I'm trying to figure out how to even approach this actual video. I will show you this. So I decided that I was going to put cruise control in this car, which I don't have everything hooked up. This steering wheel, I need to pull it back again, but I got some new pieces for this. I had to send the cluster off because if you know about these Crown Vics and the clusters on them. So I figure, hey, might as well get it fixed because the odometer wasn't lighting up and it had a lot of flickering and craziness that was happening. So I figure, get that fixed. I have been considering selling the car. The car's actually been sitting in the same spot now in my backyard for I don't know, like 3, maybe 4 months. I've been driving my truck. Still have the motorcycles. I do plan on doing more videos about that. I will explain more as we go. But let's try to get some of this car put together first, because good grief, does it need to be put back together. All right, so I'm going to pull this thing back off because I don't have it set right. I just wanted to see how things fit. Oh, holy flick, my friend, holy flick. And there's your airbag. And if I had any advice to give to anybody on this, do not clip this thing in until you're absolutely sure you are done with this job and nothing else is going to happen. Because if you do, good luck to you. These damn things are a pain in the ass to get off. The other steering wheel, I mean, you can see where I got scratches all up in the, I mean, it's a mofo. It really is. So we need to unhook the cruise control stuff and the airbag stuff here. I put that damn thread lock on there, man. I don't know why I did that. Sometimes you just gotta use the good old-fashioned muscle, man. Ha! Don't be like me. Steering wheel's off. So the reason I pulled, let me set that off to the side. The reason I pulled this back off is I have this, it's like a, fuck. It's a shift safety switch or whatever, so it'll lock this thing up. And when I got the steering wheel, the guy sold me the whole column for it. So I was like, hey, you know what? I got the whole column. I'll just swap everything off. And that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna swap everything off. So this is the top. Okay, so we gotta take this off. I know that. Got a couple tabs and pop it off. Sometimes. It's so much going on, I don't know what to do. This little doodad here is like freaking 70 or 80 bucks. Luckily it came with the other column. Might put a little bit of grease in that. What do you think? Some way, somehow. I'm gonna set this right here. Don't let me forget about it. Yeah, I gotta tell you, I didn't know if I was ever gonna do any more broken clutch videos. I thought I was kind of done with the channel. You know, after my last video, I mean, last year was a rough year, man. Real rough year. And, you know, you just kind of, you gotta know when to, I don't know what I'm really trying to say. It's like, you know, I didn't want to throw in the towel with life. But I just needed a moment, you know? I stopped working on stuff, and I was like, man, I didn't want nothing to do with cars or motorcycles. I turned the tags in on my bike and all that. I was like, I'm done. Life sucks. I don't want nothing to do with it, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm afraid. What's this do? Does this come out? Does it come out? Do y'all know? Oh. When in doubt, grease it out. Yeah. Ha! Man, y'all don't want to be watching my channel to get advice on how to fix nothing, man, because you're just going to break it good, dude. It's like, are you a mechanic? No. See, I'm not really good with doing this one-handed stuff. Good date. So now I gotta figure out, do y'all remember? Pretty sure that was the other one, and that was the one I was putting in the car. I think this is the one. What? What was that? What was that? Real question I have is how we gonna be doing this, buddy? So yeah. All right, so I got the cluster put back in. You got this, it's like the little harness. You got the harness up here that goes into the cluster. It's a little tab here. Make sure when you get put back, yeah, see if I get that. Make sure when you get put back in, you clip that all the way in so it locks in place. Then next you got your little, if I can see, I'm trying to film, your shift indicator here. So when you get it set, see if I can do this. When you get it set, there's a little tab right here, and you just roll it back and forth. Right now I got it in park, but what I done is I dropped it all, crapping. Hold on. What I did is I dropped it all the way down to 1. And then I adjusted this, because it was setting at 2, so I just adjusted to it, went to the 1. And now I got, you know, 2, drive, neutral, all the way up. So this damn thing keeps on the lock because they ain't got no power to it. All right, let's continue this nightmare. Well, it ain't that bad. I said it's a nightmare. It's not really a nightmare. It ain't that bad. This is the fun part now. Trying to get these little screws back into this little. See what I said? It's the fun part. That's sarcasm. It's not fun. If you go into this thinking, well, gee golly, you said it was going to be fun. You're a liar. Still needs to have the cruise control activated on it, so the steering wheel will have the cruise buttons, it just won't have cruise. Yeah. This car is a little bit on the disgusting side right now. But we're gonna get it all cleaned up. Things will be fresh and clean, man. Yeah, sucks I didn't film taking everything off. But like I said, I wasn't I didn't know if I was going to even do this channel again, so hopefully you're entertained, my friend. You're entertained. Yeah, I got to go out to the building and get the other parts because those are the old ones back there. And I think they're the old ones. They all look the same. My goal is to take the cup holder out because I got a new one because this one's all broke to shit. And to get to this, you got 2 bolts. Oh, if I can find it. Way back in there, that's it right there. You got one on each side. The other side wasn't too bad. I use it like an extension, and I have some room on the side with the this is gonna get in the way. Some wire, what the hell is that? I don't even know what the fuck this is. Okay, so I got it out. No fun. So the top part just slides up on this ridge here. So you push it in, slide it up, and the back, it's held up by a couple little bolts. Wherever the hell they're at. Yeah, there we go. There's a hole right there. There's one over there. This side here, you best use a small like extension because you got a little ridge here. This part here you can't, so what I did, it's got this one with a little bend in it and put a little short 7mm socket on it. Knocked it right on out. Now, I can tell you now, putting it back in is probably gonna be a real pain in the ass, but that's how you can get it out. That thing was broken, so let's get the new one put in. So now, I'm gonna hook this back up. I took this off because I was gonna send it off to have it programmed for the cruise control. Then I realized that it's very expensive doing it that way, so we're just gonna put this back in and yeah, hope for the best. Son of a bitch. There you go. Oh yeah, so these are pretty self-explanatory. You just got this little, slide them on. When you put them on, you just push this little clear piece to the, well, it's not gonna do it until you put it in, but slide in and push the clear piece forward. Okay. That one is in, but like I was saying, you got these little, just pop those back and it slides out. It might be a little bit hard to get out if it's never been removed. This car's been sitting all winter, so I had to hook it up. So we'll let it sit here a minute. I got it set on emergency so it can juice up quickly. Seems to be doing all right. See if it'll crank. Yeah, the battery's just really dead. So yeah, I haven't really made my mind up. I've been looking into possibly getting a van for my other YouTube channel, and I just don't know because I like this old car. Yeah, it's a little rough around the edges. I mean, it's got one, mainly paint. It's, you know, this is paint stuff. Relatively rust free. Besides, I think there's a little bit in that front fender up there, like around this little area. But other than that, it's a pretty darn clean car. All right, I had to bring out the big guns. Let's see. Oh yeah, about to get ready to get serious about this. Here we go. Alright, so got everything pretty clean in here, even in the back. Taking it out for a little test run, see how it does. So yeah, when it comes to doing these steering wheels and interior parts, just be careful, especially the interior parts. But anyways, you know, I think I'm gonna end it right here. I appreciate whoever is watching. I know I've been gone a while. I'm gonna start making this a regular thing again. I got plenty of things to keep me busy for this channel. And if you're interested in any sort of like park stuff or travel and things like that, I'll put a link to my other channel in the description of this video. I appreciate you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It always helps the channel and always helps us to grow, because that is the goal. I'm back.